Romance of a Twin Flower Chinese drama starts on March 21st, every Tuesday to Saturday on VTV for 38 episodes. Based on the web novel The Dreamer in the Spring Boudoir by Bai Lu Cheng Shuang.
A genius girl named Jiman loses her memory through an accident and inexplicably replaced her twin sister and entered the Hou Manor. With her outstanding wits and business acumen, she managed to resolve numerous crises, eventually winning the favor of Ning Yu Xuan, the cold and arrogant young master of Hou Manor.